The 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS Hellcat is an exceptional blend of muscle car heritage and modern engineering, fusing the classic American muscle car feel with cutting-edge performance and styling. When Chevrolet first launched the Nova in the 1960s, it was a compact, affordable car that became iconic for its straightforward design and impressive performance options. But in the 2026 Nova SS Hellcat, Chevrolet has taken everything we loved about the original Nova, turbocharged it with modern technology, and created something that will undoubtedly turn heads for years to come. Let's dive into what makes the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS Hellcat an extraordinary machine. We'll break down everything from its design, performance, powertrain, and technology, to its place in the modern muscle car lineup. From the moment you see the Nova SS Hellcat, you know this is no ordinary muscle car. With its aggressive stance, sleek body lines, and wide wheel arches, the Nova SS Hellcat screams performance. It's built to be aerodynamic, functional, and aggressive, combining the best elements of muscle car culture with the practicalities of modern vehicle design. The design of the 2026 Nova SS Hellcat pulls heavily from the past but incorporates futuristic styling cues. The front end features a bold, sculpted grille that's unmistakably Chevrolet. The signature twin-bar horizontal headlights are slimmer than ever before, offering a sharp, menacing look that speaks to the car's high-performance nature. Moving down the sides, the Nova SS Hellcat's sculpted body lines and aggressive wheel arches make the car appear wider, planted, and ready to conquer any road. The body is made of lightweight, high-strength materials like carbon fiber and aluminum, ensuring that performance is not sacrificed for style. At the back, the Nova SS Hellcat carries a broad rear end, complete with a dual exhaust system that has a signature growl to match its look. This car looks ready to pounce, like it could launch at any moment. It's as if Chevrolet took the essence of the original Nova and injected it with steroids, creating a performance-oriented powerhouse that will be hard to match. Now, let's get to the most important part of the 2026 Nova SS Hellcat, the engine. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the legendary Hellcat engine. The Nova SS Hellcat features a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine capable of producing an awe-inspiring 807 horsepower. This engine has been tuned to perfection, offering instant throttle response and a top-end performance that's nearly unbeatable in the muscle car world. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking the Nova SS Hellcat to the track, this engine has more than enough power to make you feel like you're riding in a true performance car. What's remarkable about this engine is its versatility. It's as much about raw power as it is about drivability. While it can easily provide thrilling acceleration and top speeds that will make your heart race, it also provides smooth, comfortable driving on everyday roads. For the driving enthusiast, the Nova SS Hellcat's handling dynamics have been dialed into perfection. With a state-of-the-art suspension system, including adaptive dampers and rear-wheel drive, this car is built to handle everything you throw at it. Whether you're driving around tight corners or pushing it to its limits on an open stretch of road, the Nova SS Hellcat remains composed, balanced, and in full control. One of the highlights of the Nova SS Hellcat is its launch control system, which allows the driver to experience true track-level performance. The combination of horsepower and launch control means that 0 to 60 times are lightning fast, clocking in at just around 3.3 seconds. That's blistering acceleration by any standard, and it ensures that this muscle car can hold its own against even the most advanced sports cars in the market today. But performance isn't just about raw horsepower. It's about making sure that every aspect of the driving experience is engaging, refined, and accessible. Chevrolet has implemented an innovative torque vectoring system that improves the Nova SS Hellcat's cornering ability, especially during high-speed turns. When you're driving at maximum performance levels, this system ensures that the car is always stable, predictable, and responsive. Inside the 2026 Nova SS Hellcat, the cabin is a perfect fusion of modern luxury and muscle car tradition. The interior design takes inspiration from classic muscle cars, but Chevrolet has made sure to pack in modern tech features that enhance the driving experience. The driver-centric cockpit is intuitive and straightforward, with a high-tech digital gauge cluster that offers everything from performance metrics to navigation data. It's easy to see why the interior of the Nova SS Hellcat is such a standout. It provides comfort and sophistication while still keeping the thrill of a performance car front and center. The seats are designed to hold you in place while offering a high level of comfort during longer drives. The front seats are bolstered for support during high-speed cornering, but they also have ample cushioning for those days when you want to simply cruise down the road. Available in leather and high-quality materials, the interior feels premium, with a focus on the tactile experience. One standout feature inside the cabin is the customizable ambient lighting system, which allows you to change the mood of the interior. Whether you want a soothing glow for a relaxed cruise or a bold, fiery red light to match the car's performance character, the Nova SS Hellcat makes it possible. The overall layout of the interior focuses on the driver, with large, easy-to-read displays and intuitive controls. The center stack features a massive touchscreen with access to the latest infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the modern connectivity features you expect from a top-tier vehicle. In terms of safety, the 2026 Nova SS Hellcat doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The car's advanced braking system is capable of handling the extreme power generated by the Hellcat engine, with carbon ceramic brake rotors and performance-calibrated braking that offers exceptional stopping power even at high speeds. This is crucial for a car of this caliber, ensuring that not only is it fast, but it's also safe, giving you peace of mind whether you're on a track or a highway. In terms of technology, the Nova SS Hellcat pushes the boundaries with cutting-edge features. The car comes with an advanced infotainment system that includes over-the-air updates, allowing you to always be up to date with the latest software and performance improvements. The system integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, and its intuitive interface is one of the best in the market. The available surround view camera system helps you navigate tight parking spots with ease, and the adaptive cruise control system makes long highway drives far more relaxing. A feature that will definitely capture attention is the Nova SS Hellcat's exhaust system. With a customizable sound profile, the car allows the driver to adjust the exhaust note, from a more subdued, refined tone for cruising to an aggressive roar that will make anyone in the vicinity turn their head. This personalization factor is something that every muscle car enthusiast can appreciate. It allows you to tailor the sound of the car to your own personal preference. The Nova SS Hellcat also embraces modern sustainability with its efficient fuel system and hybrid options. While this is still a muscle car, Chevrolet has made efforts to ensure that the Nova SS Hellcat is more environmentally conscious without compromising its raw power. The efficiency improvements ensure that you won't be making frequent trips to the gas station, even with that massive V8 under the hood. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS Hellcat is not just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world that Chevrolet is fully invested in continuing the muscle car legacy while pushing the boundaries of performance and technology. It's a car that feels at home on the street, at the track, and on open highways. It is the perfect combination of American muscle car history with the best of today's automotive technology, offering enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that's unlike anything else. Whether you're a diehard muscle car fan or someone new to high-performance vehicles, the Nova SS Hellcat promises to deliver an unforgettable ride. This car is more than just a performance machine, it's a work of art. From its striking exterior design to its jaw-dropping performance capabilities, everything about the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS Hellcat speaks to a level of craftsmanship and passion that few vehicles can match. With this new Nova SS Hellcat, Chevrolet has once again proven that they know how to build a muscle car that combines power, precision, and passion into one extraordinary package. The Nova SS Hellcat is not just a car, it's a legacy, redefined for the 21st century.